If I wanted to make money with AI this month and I had zero experience, zero products, zero social media experience, this is exactly what I would do this year. Let's get into it. Now, real quick, I just want to show you some proof that this is working. This is just one of the products that I'm using this method with. As you can see, almost 100,000 people have visited this page, and I'm using 100% AI to do this, and over $26,000 made with just one product. All right, so this is the simple 3-step process of how this works. Now, I do have a 4th step, and in the 4th step, this is a bonus step where I'm going to show you how to scale and make even more money as fast as humanly possible. So make sure you stick to the end because I'm going to show you how to make money even faster. All right, so starting with step 1, we're going to create our AI clone. Now, the cool thing about this is I know so many people want to make money with AI, but they're like, I have no idea how to create content. I don't know how to create a product. We're going to get into that in just a moment. But the first thing that you want to do is create an AI clone. Now, the cool thing about this is this can either be you or it can just be an AI avatar, right? It could be another clone that's not you, right? So that's the cool thing about this method. I know so many people don't want to show their face, don't want to even be online at all. So the cool thing is you can make this you, or you can just create an AI avatar, which looks like you or looks completely different, okay? All right, so here's an example of my AI twin. Now, the cool thing about these is these are very simple to make. As you can see, you can put yourself in different scenes, different scenarios, and on these videos, I'm not even talking. Now, the cool thing about these is you can make these very quickly, very easily once you have your AI clone created. As you can see, this is one of me looking like Captain America, and then one of me in a luxury suit in a luxury hotel, just walking, super simple, and all I do is throw some text on there. Now, here's a simple video that I made using my AI clone, and again, these are just very simple videos, 5, 10, maybe 12 seconds, just to get people to watch your videos. And I'll show you one more here. This was a more advanced version of the AI clone. And the whole point of this is to create an AI clone where you can just simply make videos. All right, with step number 1, there's several ways that we can do this. One of the more simple ways to do this is using Sora AI. This allows you to create videos using your face and using your AI avatar. Now, I do have a step-by-step training showing you how to use Sora to create your AI clone. You can check that out right here. This is the video that walks you through step by step. Now, if you saw on my Instagram, I have that AI clone as well that looks pretty close to me. This is actually called a Flux Laura. Now, a Flux Laura twin allows you to create these videos where you're in different scenarios, however you want to be, and then you can just simply throw text on this, okay? This has been very powerful. This seems to get me a ton of traffic, ton of exposure. Now, again, if you don't have a product and you don't have an offer, that's 100% okay. I'm actually going to show you how you can have an offer and something to sell by the end of today. But first, we need to get exposure. We need to be able to drive customers and traffic, and then I'll show you how to actually make money from that. Now, let's go to step number 2. So once you create your AI clone in step number 1, step number 2 is all about just simply creating and posting, okay? Now, again, this is built for complete beginners, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly why, because I made this so simple for people to just start posting and to be able to start making money, which we'll do in step number 3 in just a little bit. I'll show you how we can start making money with this, okay? This is where we can start to create text or video posts using AI. Now, the cool thing about this is you can use your AI clone. So this is going to be your clone right here. Okay. This is your clone version that we talked about in step number 1, or we can simply create these simple text posts that I'll show you in just a little bit. Now, the cool thing about the text post is you're still using AI to create these, but you don't even have to use your face. You don't have to create videos. This is one of the most simplest things that I have ever seen, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works as well. Now, a lot of my students are doing both of these methods because they both work and they both get so much exposure and so much traffic, okay? Now, my suggestion is you do both, okay? Both text and these clone AI video posts, because Using AI, you can now do these all very quickly. Now, let me show you an example of these text posts. All right, so I'm on my personal Facebook account now. Now, I want to show you these simple posts that I'm making, okay? So this is just one of the posts. As you can see, there are 0 videos or even images at all. All it is text. And the goal of any content is to always provide value. That's the main goal. But as you can see, these are some pretty interesting posts, right? It's like, hey, I asked ChatGPT to make me money in the next 24 hours. These are the 9-step process. The hack or the goal with this is to get people to read the comments, okay? Because in the comments, and this is where I start to add the 9-step process, okay? As you can see right here, step 1, step 2, step 3, okay? Now, the cool thing about this is every single comment, I tell people to comment a word. And the reason I do that is because now they are interested in buying a program or a course or a coaching program that I have to offer. Now, that's what I'm going to show you in step number 3, but I just want to show you how simple this is, okay? Now, this is just one post, and I'm doing these 5, 10, 20 times a day. So the more I'm posting, typically the more I'm making, okay? So I'm going to show you one more here. As you can see, here's another post right here. Again, simple text. And this one had almost 200 comments, as you can see. And again, I'm just putting all of the steps or the comments in the comments. That way people can actually go and read them and get value from the comments. Okay, as you can see, I literally have hundreds of people commenting for my program so they can go ahead and buy this. Now, again, this is an example of the text post. You can also do this using your AI clone version, the video version as well, okay? And again, the main goal is we're providing value right here. Then we're telling people to comment, right? You can see I'm like, hey, say this word for the full demo. And as you can see, literally hundreds of people are commenting for that program or for that demo. Now, as far as how I'm making these actual text posts, now you can use ChatGPT to create these I call comment ladder posts, where you post on Facebook and then you add the actual content in the actual comments. However, I'm using this software called Freedom Threads, where it actually creates the viral threads for you. So as you can see, this is freedomthreads.ai right here. And what I'll do is I'll also leave the link to Freedom Threads down below. That way you can just click right to it. But you can just go to freedomthreads.ai. And the cool thing is you can create these viral posts very easily by just adding the link to whatever you want to sell, which we'll get to in the next step. And then this will create the post for you. And as you can see, I'm literally making hundreds and hundreds of posts using this exact same method because Freedom Threads does it all for you. Now, before we move on to step 3, I'm curious, which version would you want to do for yourself? Would you want to do the text post where you're doing just simply text, or your AI clone version where you're making videos? Let me know down below, text or clone, or say both if you want to use both to do this as well. All right, so now let's talk about step 3, and this is where we start to make money, okay? This is one of my favorite parts. Now, usually I would say this is actually where you need to start. This is usually your step number 1. But the cool thing about this is I'm going to show you how you can clone an offer and keep it 100% commissions. Okay. Now, if you followed me in the past, I've always taught go find an affiliate marketing offer, and that will work as well. Okay. So you can find an AI offer and get, 30, 20, 30, 40% commissions. However, I'm going to show you how you can get an offer and get 100 to 300% commissions, okay? So this is kind of one of my favorite parts here, because now, as you can see, I'm generating all these comments, I'm generating all these views, which I showed you, but how do we actually make money from these views, right? At the end of the day, who cares about views? We want to actually make money, okay? So now the whole goal is on step number 3 is we want to send people to an offer, right? So again, just kind of drawing this out again, we're creating content, right? Again, this could be text posts, video posts, whatever you want to do. And then from that content, we're basically sending to a page where people can buy a product. Now, this is the actual page I'm sending people to, okay? So again, I'm creating this content, and from that content, people are commenting or whatever, and then I'm sending them to this page where they can buy this AI product. Now, the cool thing about this is this product is actually resellable. So if you wanted to resell this and keep 100 to 300% commissions, you can do that and launch this product as your own by the end of today. Now, just going back here again, we're creating content. We're sending people to a page, which I showed you the page that I'm sending people to. Now, this program is called AI Freedom Launchpad. And this is the program that pays 100 to 300% commissions, because the cool thing about this is not only do you get the $97, which is how much the program is, you also get all the upsells when people buy those as well. Okay, so when you resell this, you get all the upsells, all the order bumps, all the things that are extra. You also get 100% commissions on all of that. Okay, so that's why I say you can make up to 300% commissions on this entire process. Now, if you are interested in reselling this AI Freedom Launchpad program, I'm gonna leave that link in the first link down below, or you can go to AIFreedomLaunchpad.com. Not only are you gonna become an expert with AI, again, you'll be able to resell this as your own once you are enrolled inside of the program. Now, let's just say you don't wanna use AI Freedom Launchpad as your offer. That's totally okay. Again, in step number 3, the whole goal is just to send to an offer, whether it's your offer or whether it's someone else's offer. The whole goal is to start making money by sending people somewhere to go buy, okay? This could also be an affiliate program as well. Could also be an affiliate offer. Again, I just like the master resale rights because you are getting 100% of the entire thing. All right, so now let's talk about step number 4. And this is kind of my secret version that I'm using to make money a lot quicker. Now, with step number 4, I'm still using AI, but what I'm doing in step number 4 is the only thing I'm adding to this is Facebook ads. Now, this is a little bit more advanced as far as, well, okay, now you have to spend money to actually make money. But the cool thing about this is if you're doing this correctly, you can actually make money by the end of today or in the next few days. Because the method with step number 4, and I'll show you how this works in just a little bit, is very similar to step number 1, where we're creating our AI clone. But the only difference is now we're just spending Facebook ad money to get more people to our offers, okay? So basically the goal is I'm using AI to create images, right? So I'm gonna create pictures, and I'm also gonna create videos, again, all using AI. And I'm using these AI images and I'm spending money. Let's just say, you know, $5 a day, $10 a day. And the cool thing about this is I'm still sending to that offer AI Launchpad, and then I'm making money with this method, okay? Now, if you do want to see the full step-by-step method of how this bonus method works, we do have this inside our AI Freedom Launchpad program. If you click inside of there and you scroll down at the bottom, this is where you can resell this program as your own. But then we have this secret training where we show you how to use Facebook ads to get sales as fast as humanly possible. So make sure you check that out once you are inside AI Freedom Launchpad. I hope this video was of value. I'm super excited to help you on your AI journey. We've helped literally thousands of people start making money as fast as humanly possible. Let me know if you have any questions down below. We'll see you on the next video.